7 micro habits that rewire your brain in 7 days. Give me 7 days, I'll give you 7 micro habits, each under 60 seconds, that can rewire your brain faster than anything else. By the end of this week, you won't feel like the same person.
My name is Mr. Mind Tips, and today we are discussing 7 micro habits that rewire your brain in 7 days.
Habit number 1. Sunlight reset. Get sunlight within 5 minutes of waking. It boosts dopamine, resets your body clock, and switches your brain on naturally. Habit number 2. 60-second clean slate. A 60-second clean sweep. Clutter silently drains your focus. A clear desk creates a clear mind. Habit number 3. 2-minute brain dump. A 2-minute brain dump. Write down everything buzzing in your mind to clear mental space. Habit number 4. 10-breath reset. 10 slow breaths. It flips your nervous system from stress to calm in just 90 seconds. Habit number 5. 2-minute movement. Move for 2 minutes every hour. It spikes oxygen and dopamine to keep your brain sharp. Habit number 6. 30-second next step. Before starting any task, write the next physical step. Your brain loves clarity, not vague goals. Habit number 7. Night phone parking. Park your phone across the room an hour before bed. Better sleep equals better brain. These 7 micro habits take less than 2 minutes each, but together they rewire your brain. Try them for 7 days and watch how quickly your mind shifts.
7 days, 7 habits, 1 rewired brain. Now it's your turn. Start today, and by next week, you won't recognize the old you. Drop a comment with Day 1 checkmark to lock in your commitment. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more brain-boosting strategies